Hi everyone, welcome to Joe Duffy BMW in Charlestown. My name is Tomas. With me today I have a beautiful BMW xDrive25e with the xDrive transmission. When we go to the side we can see our beautiful 18-inch rims, as well as our beautiful BMW adaptive LED headlights, the iconic Keening rims. Towards the side we have the silver trims, as well as the automatic open and close boot. On the boot we can see you have plenty of space right here on the sides as well as below for the cables, and the boot automatically closes. On the interior we have these beautiful black leather seats, as well as 4 ISOFIX system, as well as 2 vents and charging ports. On the driver's side we have this beautiful black leather steering wheel, as well as on the left hand side we have all the cruise control and the media navigation. Here in the middle we can control the car, as well as we can see all the navigation, the media, as well as the rear view camera and sensors. This beautiful car also comes with heated seats on both sides. Towards the center we have plenty of space for the phone, cup holders, all the controls for the volume and the automatic transmission, some storage space below on the doors, both doors. And that's for the showroom. Thank you so much. This car is available across all our This car is available across our various car selling websites, as well as the Joe Duffy BMW website. If you have any questions or queries or want to book a test drive, feel free to contact us. My name is Tomas. All of our BMW approved used cars come with the 2-year warranty. Thank you so much for your viewing. Have a nice day.